yun, mapakurunahan si Miss Dumaguete. Saktan na ko ninyo, nakatawa mo mo, kuhan ka na. Recently, ningo nakatawag tourism officer si Mr. Makiling na medyo nahandog na po sila sa presence sa mga badyaw, kaya ningo na silang medyo komportable o at home na sa Dumaguete. Kung galing ka mong hatagan o higayon na maka-spread mo, maka-exert mo effort to expand and implement your advocacy, kung sa inyong mahimo kahagang programa para masolve ni siya ang problema, because at present, medyo nagkaraghanan ni sila. Since Dumaguete ko noon, ngayon sila is generous givers, so nagkaraghanan sila. So kamo, kung sa inyong mga pangunaunaan ninyo.
As we all know, the Badyaws, they sell pearls, and they know how to also earn their own livelihood. So I think it would be very good to encourage them to do this. And aside from that, I think that again the DSWD should pay special attention to them, to ask them for their needs, especially their housing and where they live, where they spend the night, because out in the streets is not safe for them, especially for the children. So that is what I would in my own point of view about Badyaws, I know that they do not have their own home, they do not have enough resources to support their everyday needs. But what they did do to expand my advocacy is that I know that they do not have enough resources in terms of food. So I would conduct feeding programs towards them. And of course, if given a chance, I would teach them dances, because that is really what my advocacy is. Since I am blessed with a talent in dancing, why not use my talent to expand my advocacy towards them? Because instead of roaming around the streets asking people to give them money to support their needs, why not use my talent